Hi, my name is Amina. I'm from Turkmen. I'm Uyghur. Via this video, I testify that the tragedy which happened on my mother's and friends should. Number 1. My mother, Asiye. She lives in Turkmen. She is almost 60 years old. Around October 2017, she was detained by police without explanation of any reasons. Since then, I know nothing about her. Is she in a jail or re-education camp or where? I have no idea because my contact with my land has been broken off. In the last telephone call with my mom, she said that she's got many pressure from police about getting my information. The demand includes my home and school address, copy of passport, telephone number, my recent personal photo, and etc. I refused it. After 2 weeks, I heard from my mother-in-law that my mother had been taken away by police. My family members in Turkmen couldn't get any news about her. My mother Asya is a simple farmer woman. She doesn't have any knowledge about religion or political. She is innocent. Her only one sin is my being in abroad. Number 2. My mother-in-law Habiba. She is 61 years old. She lives in Urumqi. She is a retired teacher. On summer 2015, because she couldn't get a visa to Turkey directly, she came to Malaysia first, then got a visa to Turkey in Malaysia. After 2 weeks traveling, she returned to China in time. In her way to home, direct after landing in Guangzhou airport, she faced cold treatment and questioning by police in airport. In 2016 and 2017, she was questioned several times by police. In January 2018, she was taken away to a re-education camp when she was sick. She has got a heart attack. I'm very worried about her situation. This news was told by a friend of my mother-in-law in Urumqi to her daughter in abroad. She is innocent. Only one sin of her is legally being to abroad for traveling. Number 3. A friend of my mother-in-law, Bahargul. She is 55 years old. Her hometown is Sanji. She is a retired worker for an enterprise. She has accompanied with my mother-in-law in Urumqi. She has accompanied with my mother-in-law in her trip to Turkey. First traveled to Malaysia, then got a visa to Turkey from Malaysia, just like my mother-in-law. She was also faced bad treatment in Guangzhou airport. Even their luggage is damaged when they were returned. In the end of 2016, she has taken away to a re-education camp. Until I lost my contact with my mother-in-law, Bahargul was still in a camp. Number 4. My friends Emin Hanawut and her husband Haidkari Osman. Emin Han is 30 years old and her husband around 35 years old. They both come from Aksu Kelpin. Emin Han is a bachelor of Central University of Nationalities. She and her husband lived in Beijing for many years. Around September 2017, they have forcibly returned to their hometown from Beijing. Her husband was detained directly and sentenced to 7 years jail punishment. Emin Han was placed confinement for 2 months in her house in Kelpin. In December 2017, she was taken away to a re-education camp. I heard that their brothers and sisters were also taken away by police. The couple have 3 little children. Their parents are so old that even couldn't take care of themselves. They have even no ability to take care of their grandchildren. I'm very worried about my friends and their little children. Her husband learned a religious knowledge when he was young, and he taught Arabic in Beijing in a course. I guess that's the only reason of his detaining. Imin was an excellent student. She did nothing against China government. If she is to be guilty, it's only because she wears a scarf.